Next airdrop we're going to do is EBCoin. Down below, you should have a link right to this. It will pop you up right on the Telegram bot. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got lots coming up. We're going to open up the bot. We're going to click start. We're going to take a look at the bonus offer here. We'll skip that. We're going to hit the airdrop tasks. So I just want you to do these 3 tasks here. So we're going to open up the Telegram group. We're going to join the group. We're going to go back to the airdrop here. We're going to go join their channel. Join their channel here. Back to the airdrop here. We're going to go follow their Twitter account as well. Pop that up. Just give them a quick follow on Twitter. Click that down. And then fill out this form. It's going to ask for your Telegram username. Pop that in there. It's going to ask for your Twitter username next. Copy and paste that in there. Then your Ethereum wallet. And if you don't know how to get an Ethereum wallet address, it's listed on our site of how to do it. It's pretty simple. Just copy and paste that into there. Make sure you're always putting your, not your private keys, but your public keys in. You're going to submit that document. And next we're going to go into here. What does it say here? Just put in an Ethereum wallet address here. Paste that in. Put our email address it wants next. We're going to copy and paste that in too. All you should have to do with your airdrops is copy and paste everything in like this. We're going to check our balance here. Balance of 5,000. You got your referral link right here. You can copy and paste that referral link and send it out to people as well. And that's the end of this airdrop. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got lots coming up. And we'll see you on the next one.